lot of people were surprised when Bimby and Joshua Aquino visited the
Yes.
First Lady yesterday. Can you tell us more about the nature of the visit and the relations between the Marcos and Aquino families post-EDSA?
Well, maliwanag naman yung the last part of we are until the presidency of Noynoy, we were on other sides of the political aisle. The reason na pinuntahan nila si First Lady ay simple lamang. Nangailangan I think it was Chris Aquino who needed some assistance for something. But what the reports did not say is that Lisa is their aunt. Dahil ang kanyang auntie ay napangasawa si Don Pepe na the eldest brother of Cory. So they are related. Kaya't hindi naman nakakapagtaka. Kilalang-kilala niya yung mga pamangkin niya very well. So and so they came at nagbiyahe sila, bumalik, may dalang pasalubong. Yun lang naman, dinala nila yung pasalubong kay First
Sir,
Lady.
follow-up, ano po yung assistance na hinihingi ni Chris Aquino from the Marcos administration?
Wala nang, it's just, I think it was just to help them for their travel, for their travel arrangements. So tumulong si First Lady at yun lang na sabi na makapasalamat sila. And so I think it was a very fine gesture on the part of the Aquino family. I think it was it sort of, I suppose, put a little more how do you say, personal, a human interaction between our families. So